Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve listings with Century 21 step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current property listings. Analyze the quality of photos and descriptions. Ensure that your images are high resolution and well lit. Consider hiring a professional photographer if necessary. Write compelling and detailed property descriptions. Highlight unique features and benefits of each property. Incorporate local amenities and attractions in your listings. Use relevant keywords that potential buyers might search for. Optimize your listings for search engines. Set competitive pricing based on market analysis. Use Century 21's market insights and tools to support your pricing strategy. Update your listings regularly to keep them fresh. Include virtual tours or 3D walkthroughs to enhance engagement. Showcase client testimonials and success stories. Promote your listings across social media platforms. Create targeted ad campaigns to reach specific demographics. Monitor the performance of your listings through analytics. Adjust your strategies based on the feedback and data collected. Collaborate with other Century 21 agents for joint promotions. Regularly attend training sessions offered by Century 21. Stay informed about market trends and new tools. Foster strong communication with your clients throughout the process. Make sure your contact information is visible and easy to find. Build relationships with local services to enhance your offerings. Maintain a professional appearance in all your marketing materials. Follow up promptly with inquiries to demonstrate your commitment. Encourage open houses to attract potential buyers. Utilize Century 21's branding to stand out in the market. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.